Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube family. Today we are going to prepare a very healthy and yummy snack with sprouted mung beans. You all know that sprouted mung beans are rich in fiber and proteins, which gives you a lot of energy and essential vitamins. It also helps to maintain a good body weight. So let's start preparing our today's recipe. Let's see the ingredients. First, take a clean vessel and add 1 cup of brown rice flour. Manganese present in brown rice helps you get proteins and essential carbohydrates, which in turn convert these macronutrients into energy. It burns extra calories and helps to maintain a healthy weight and also improves the immunity power. Next, we can add 3/4 cup of ragi flour, that is Finca millet flour. Ragi helps to balance all the three doshas. It's easy to digest and also helps in managing blood sugar level. It is low in fat and gluten free. Ragi is rich in fiber, which is very good for weight management. It also prevents the signs of aging due to its collagen and antioxidants present in it. It is also rich in iron. Due to the presence of tryptophan, it is highly beneficial in conditions of anxiety and depression. Now we can add half teaspoon of rock salt powder. As I always say, rock salt or indupu is highly rich medicinal salt. Next we can add 2 teaspoons of white sesame seeds. White sesame seeds are loaded with potent amino acids, tryptophan and polyphenols, which helps you burn stubborn belly fat. Rich magnesium, vitamin E and other antioxidants present in it prevents plaque buildup in your arteries, thus helps in maintaining healthy blood pressure. Now mix it well. Now we have to add 1.5 cup of hot water to this mixture little by little and mix it well. Now I am going to knead this mixture with my hand for some time till we get a nice dough for our snack. Keep this dough for some time. Next we have to make the filling for the snack. For that, I have heated a pan and add some fresh homemade ghee into it. Many of us think that adding ghee to the food will increase the body fat. It is not like that, as ghee contains omega-3 fatty acids. It is great for weight loss. It helps in mobilizing the fat cells to be burned for energy. When the ghee starts melting, add half cup of freshly grated coconut and saute it well. Due to its cold potency, coconut alleviates pitta and improves strength and immunity. It also rich in dietary fiber, which helps to reduce the risk of developing heart diseases and lower cholesterol levels. Now we can add half teaspoon of fresh cardamom powder and saute it well. Due to its cooling action, cardamom alleviates pitta and helps in digestion. It contains manganese, which helps to boost virus-fighting cells, thus it boosts our immunity power. Due to its antibacterial properties, it acts as a skin purifier by clearing out blemishes and improves our skin complexion. Next we can add 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Due to its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, black pepper helps to reduce inflammation and reduce the various infections. Next we can add 1 cup of sprouted mung beans and saute it well. Mung bean sprouts are generally good for all doshas. It improves skin complexion, nourishes and increases the physical strength. It also helps in preventing lifestyle diseases like diabetes, hypertension and obesity. Next, add 1/4 teaspoon of rock salt powder and saute it well. Now we can add 4 teaspoons of palm sugar powder and saute well. Palm sugar not only sweetens the dish, it also boosts brain function and immune system as it contains rich minerals. At last, we can add 3 teaspoons of white sesame seeds and salt well. Now let the mixture to cool slightly. Now we can take little dough and made into small cup-like shape like this. Now we can fill it with the mung bean mixture we already prepared before. Now we can make the other mung bean snacks with the remaining doughs in this way. I have made all like this. Now we have to steam it for 8 to 10 minutes in a steamer. Close the steamer with its lid and steam it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we can open it and see our yummy and healthy mung bean snack is ready. Try this recipe. It's very healthy snack which can taken by small kids to aged people. It improves the overall body health, immunity and gives a lots of energy. If you like this recipe, please like and share to your loved ones, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you will get more healthy updates from me. See you friends, take care.